Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Even as we attempt this question, I read the question: rationalize the denominator and simplify. Guys, we have this 4 square root of 128 minus square root of 98 all over square root of 8 minus square root of 3. So guys, for this, what we are going to do is what the question has asked. The first thing, guys, we are going to do is to rationalize the denominator. And how do we do that? Guys, we multiply this denominator by its conjugate, so that when we multiply them together, guys, they will produce a rational number. But guys, when we do that, we shall change the whole equation. And so therefore, we have to multiply both the denominator and the numerator. And so therefore, guys, let's start. And so guys, here is our starting point. Guys, we come and multiply here by square root of 8 plus square root of 8. That is for the denominator. And we also multiply the numerator by square root of 8 plus square root of 3. Guys, when we come to this point, that is for the denominator, this one gives us what we call difference of two squares. Whereby, guys, we have something like this. That is a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Guys, this gives us a squared minus b squared. And so therefore, guys, what we have is like a minus b multiplied by a plus b. And so, guys, when we multiply this and that, we shall get now something that looks like this. And therefore, guys, it shall be the square of 8, which is now going to be 8, and the square of 3, which is going to be square root of 8 and square root of 3. That gives us 8 minus 3. And this is what, guys, we have, 8 minus 3. Coming to this upper side, guys, we multiply square root of 8 by this first term, which is 4 square root of 128, and again we multiply by this term. Then we come and multiply square root of 3 by the first term, that is 4 square root of 128, and again we multiply by that term. And this is what, guys, we are getting. That is 4 square root of 128 square root of 8 minus square root of 8 square root of 98 plus square root of 3 multiplied by 4 square root of 128 minus square root of 3 square root of 98. And guys, we go ahead from there. So when we go ahead, guys, for this is going to be 128 times 8. Guys, we shall find that it will bring us a solution whereby that solution is the square, is actually the square root, the square of that 2. And so therefore we get that 2 there. That is 128 times 28. If we find the square root of that, guys, it will give us that 2. And for 4, it will remain there. Coming to this, guys, we can multiply 8 multiplied by 98. We get square root of 784. We come to this place, guys, we shall have square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 128 gives us 384. That is square root of 384. And we have a 4 here. And when we multiply these two, you get that. From there, guys, we continue. This one now comes to 5. And now, guys, we have this. This is now then our solution, guys. So here we have 128 minus 28. Yes, actually we've not yet finished. Plus 4 square root of 384 minus square root of 294 all over 5. Now, guys, we can take away 28 from 128. And this is what we now get as our solution. Guys, here we have our solution. And so, guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye.